nag-training ako sa hapon, pero I see to it sa morning, nandito ako, lagi akong nagbabalance ng time ko through academic, at saka yung course ko, okay naman yung nagiging outcome. Then, sabihin ko sa sagot sa tanong mo, kasi SSG nga works throughout the year, pero the service of the SSG is inconsistent, sometimes may ginagawa, sometimes wala, but we're always there naman. So, as an SSG, we should always be present for our people and our constituents, pero at times, we're not really doing all the things that we need in the school. Sometimes we're studying, sometimes we're at classes. So, usually the mga peaks of our service for the school is at December for when there are parties and when the start. Pero at the end of the year, when contest naman kay STEM, di ba usually campaigns na lang for the next succeeding SSG. So, yun yung reason din. Next.
Tapos yung pangalawa sa si Vice President.
Yay!
Galing ni Getro.
From previously, tumatakbo ako bilang Vice President ng Legacy. So,